Now let's talk a little bit about challenge number 4, opportunity cost. Now, if you notice from this screen, there are two very important lessons that we can gather from this. On the screen, we see both the average investor returns compared to the S&P 500 stock market index. And irrespective of what timeline we're looking at, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, 30 year, the average investor has actually trailed behind the S&P 500. Now that's very strange because if, let's say, I invest in an index fund, then on average I should receive what the index does. But why is it I don't? Why is it most average investors don't? And the reason for that is because of their emotions. You see, on this slide, what we're looking at is from the years of 1990 to 2013, overlooking two of those very bad stock market recessions. If you guys notice, at the height of the stock market in 2001, that's where most people were buying. And at the very lowest of the stock market, at the very bottom of the recession, is where people were selling the most. So what can we learn from this? You guys have heard of the saying, buy low and sell high? Well, most people actually buy high and sell low. And why is that? Well, when everybody is in the stock market and everybody is making money, you have that fear of missing out. You want to get into the action. When the stock market is going down and down, you're losing money, you're afraid of you keep losing more money. And that's why for most of us as investors, because we've never learned about how money works, because we've never really taken classes on personal finance, how can we make sure that when these things come up, that we're properly prepared? The issue aren't the actual investments or the funds themselves. The issue is the buy-sell behavior of the investors because they don't know how to properly invest during volatile times. How many of you guys have actually taken classes to learn about how money works? Would you guys like to learn? And that ladders us to our conversation, talking a little bit about our company and our firm. Our parent company, Aegon, is one of the largest financial product providers in the world, ranked number 200 in the Fortune Global 500 charts. Aegon is a very large multinational company, and when they wanted to expand in the US, they purchased a company called Transamerica. If you've ever heard of Bank of America, Transamerica used to own the Bank of America conglomerate before they split in the 1950s. Transamerica then purchased a company called World Financial Group, which is our marketing and insurance arm. And in our financial brokerage, not only do we help families on personal finance, not only do we offer a membership platform to teach them how money works, but we just don't have enough licensed financial professionals to go out and help and educate families. That's why one of the purposes of this video presentation is to share with you all the problems that exist in the financial marketplace and to tell you of the business potential if you're able to help families as a part-time licensed professionals the same way that you would like to be helped. I won't spend so much time talking a little bit about compensation within our firm, but if you are the kind of person who's looking to establish their own business, you have sales, marketing, and entrepreneurship experience. And as a part-time professional within our firm, helping a handful of families per month, many of our professionals earn anywhere from $4,000 to $5,000 a month on a part-time basis. And for more of our senior partners and brokers, they're able to earn anywhere from $10,000 to $12,000 running their own respective financial services agencies. And for a lot of the families that we work with, they might be confused as to what is it that we actually do. In our firm, we are brokers. We educate families about financial concepts and based on their financial goals, help them match with over 200 of the largest financial product providers and their respective products, whether it's for retirement plans, college savings accounts, actively managed investments, insurance accounts, annuities, long-term care, and anything else related to their business or estate planning. And as I mentioned, not only do we help the consultation side for clients and families that we work with, not only do we provide a lucrative career and business opportunity, but we also have a membership class so that if you're looking to learn more about personal finance and get more in-depth technical information about these types of concepts, then you can pay a one-time registration fee and start taking our classes to learn more about how money works. In conclusion to our video presentation, here's a couple of the next steps you can take advantage of if you like more of our time. If you are interested in a complimentary financial analysis, you can use the link below to schedule a consultation with myself or one of our senior partners and advisors. This will not cost you a single penny. We will sit down with you free of charge and educate you on financial concepts and identify what your goals are and how we can help you get there. If you decide to become a client of the firm and you're establishing financial accounts that we manage as the advisors, then it's the financial product providers that pay us, not you. And the fees are completely disclosable to you. You know exactly how much we earn. And again, we want to earn your business. We don't want to charge you a consultation fee, just to give you some advice. If you are interested to become a member in our platform to systematically learn more about personal finance, there is a one-time $125 fee. It's not per month, it's not per year, it's one time. And you would have access to our trainings that we do over Zoom, where you can learn from licensed financial advisors and professionals on how money works. This $125 fee, again, is one time. You do need a valid social security number, and just to vet the people that were coming in, we do need to run a mandatory background check. For those of you guys who not only want to become a member, but also want to become a licensed advisor and professional within our firm, then there is a series of interviews that we need to go through to make sure you are the right fit for our company and our firm and what we're looking to do. But if you like more information about the career opportunity, again, schedule some time with one of our advisors. Make sure to let them know that that's something you're interested in, and they can connect you to the right individual to have those scheduled interviews. Again, my name is Abtin Besharzami. It was an honor and privilege to share this time with you. And as I mentioned, if you'd like to schedule some of the time with our advisors, use the link below and we'll be happy to assist you.